Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-39E, the boiler injector steam valve spindle. We learned some new tricks with the thread, which we did last episode, which works good in this episode. So let's start building. Alright, so let's open up file, new MMGS, and we're going to make part 3-39E, the boiler injector steam valve spindle. Okay, so we're going to go to front plane, sketch, line, going to start from the center point there, out, down, angle, cross, and up. That's going to be a rough dimension, the rough shape. Now this is 8 across, so it's going to be 4. Oh, not 5. 4, sorry. That's going to be 2 mil here. That's going to be a total of 5 here. And that's going to be a total of 4 here. Oh, well. From there to there. Did that small, didn't I? 4. Oh, hold on. Sorry, 1. Look at the wrong measurement, my bad. 1. There we go. So this is 2 mil across because it's going to wrap around. This is going to be like a cylinder, circle. So 2 there, so 2 down. That's correct. 2 there, 8 there, because this 4 is down like that in the diagram. That's why I looked at the wrong one accidentally. That's so small, put that there. 5 across, because that's 3 from there to there that way. So from here to there is 3. So I get the 5. So I could have done 3 there, would have done the same thing. Okay, so now we want feature, revolve boss. Now we want to pick this line here, and done. Beautiful. Now, before we go any further, let's change that to do we have stone steel? Let's just do Fish aluminium. It's not made from aluminium. It's actually made from BMS. Not too sure what it stands for. I think I did look at once before. I forget what it is. But I'm just after the colours, mate. For this series. Now, we want to have from here. We're going to do a circle. No, we're not. We're going to sketch first. Then we're going to do a circle, which is in the middle there, so that should be correct. Yes, it is. Popped up there. That's going to be 5 mil. 5 mil. That's going to be extruded 35 mil. 35 mil. Done. Zoom out. Now, this one here is going to be sketch again. Circle. That's going to be 4 mil. We're going to correct the exact same as the one previously. Oh, what's that 2? Should be in 4. There we go, that's better. And that's going to be extruded up by 7 mil. And done. Let's make sure those dimensions are correct. Oh. I'm going to do normal. Sketch. I'm going to put a center line in. Now I don't know we're going to need this, but I'm just doing it just as a if I need it, it's done. Put that point as vertical, that way it's straight. Smart dimension that point to that point, I'm just putting 5. Actually, you know what? Let's just do 2. Don't need 5. Doesn't matter what you put there. Doesn't matter what you put there, really. That one to that one. It's going to be 2. We don't need the bottom one, but I'm just doing it just in case. And exit out. Now, we want this thread. It's going to be M4. This thread's going to be M5. This is going to go all the way to the bottom, where this one's going to go down 26. So let's do M4 first. Okay, so we're M4, so 4 mil. Scroll down. Okay, 4 mil, we have 0.7, so we've got no option but to do that one. Okay, so if we do this thread here, go down here, not thread, sorry, circle, edge, that edge there, but then we click on this one, and click on that one, it goes past it. Now it's going to be extrude, it's going to be trim, and done. And oh, look at that. We've got thread right to the bottom, right to the top. We finally worked it out. Now, when I go back to the other piece, I'll probably slowly transfer them over. But yeah, we finally got the thread looking how we want it. How do I do that? Let's bring the wheel up. Oh, doesn't matter. Okay, so now we want to do another thread. Thread. It's going to be 5 mil. Where are you? 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, I've only got this 5 by 0.8, so we've got no real option on that one. Again, we'll do this out of there. Now, for some reason, you can't get this outer circle here. I was going to say, maybe do that one first, but no. That works anyway. But yeah, you can't get one. Try to do the threads in different orders, so. Okay, but now we want, that's going to be blind, but we want this piece, come on, here, because we want to go past that. Now, this is where that 2 mil comes in handy, because we got 2 plus 7, so that's 9 mil, goes 26 down, so 26 plus 9, 35. 35 mil. That's going to be extrude. That's going to be trim, and done. There you go. Look at that. It's on there. Goes down correctly. That is good. Man, I'm glad I found that one. That makes life so much easier. It looks neater too. Which top I didn't like thread one. Turn it. Okay, depends where my cursor is, I guess. That's good. Now, we don't need this line anymore, so we can hide that. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. That makes a difference. That makes a real difference. So it's part 3-39E. The boiler injector steam valve spindle done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So we finally got the thread sorted out. Sorry it took so long. But as I said, last episode, I watched several videos and some worked, some, well, most of it didn't work for me. I just couldn't get it. But I found this one. If I find who I saw a video of, I'll definitely put a link to their channel below. But I just can't find. I went through, I looked at so many videos, I don't know which one it was now. So thanks again for everyone's support. I do appreciate it. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.